Sabrina, what are your ins and your outs for 2024?
I'm out with renting and in with home buying.
Out with doom scrolling. In with spending quality time with friends.
Out with unhealthy choices. In with an active lifestyle. Out with ordering takeout.
And in with cooking at home.
Out with hitting snooze. And in with waking up with more energy.
Out with binge watching TV. In with spending time reading.
Out with procrastination. And in with self-care.
Don't forget to add to your in list, reaching out to our team to help you buy a home in 2024.